Hello friends, my name is Indah Atarika Rembune. I'm from Civics Education major, a student of Jakarta State University of the year 2020. Here, I will invite you to find out more about Jakarta State University. Jakarta State University is a state university located in the city of Jakarta, Indonesia, which was founded in 1964. UNJ has 4 different campus locations, namely Campus A UNJ, Rawamangun Muka Street, is Jakarta. Campus B UNJ, Pemuda Street number 10 Rawamangun is Jakarta. Campus D UNJ, Halimun Street South Jakarta. Campus E UNJ, Setiabudi Street South Jakarta. UNJ also has 8 faculties. Majoring in civics education is included in the Faculty of Social Science. In 8 UNJ faculties, various public facilities are available, such as Jakarta State University Sports Hall, Hall Buildings, University Training Center, Library, Canteen, Student Activity Building, Lecture Buildings. The Pancasila and Citizenship Education Study Program began with the issuance of the degree SK of the President of the Republic of Indonesia number 1/1963, that May 16, 1964. Concerning the establishment of the Jakarta Teacher Training and Education Institute, (IKIP). Along with the issuance of the degree, the civic study program was also established. The name of this study program successfully changed from the name Civics to Civics Law, Pancasila Moral Education (PMP) Law, dan Pancasila Moral Education Citizenship (PMP) KN. Then became the Department of Social and Political Science with a permanent study program. Pancasila and Citizenship Education (PPKN), the name of the UNJ PPKN study program, is the last name for this study program. This change to the study program refer to change in the nomenclature of subject names in the curriculum for primary and secondary schools, when IKIP Jakarta received a wider mandate policy from the government. To change it to Jakarta State University, the name of the department must use a non-educational name. So, the name used at that time was the Department of Social and Political Science, with the Pancasila and Citizenship Education Study Program (PPKN). The Pancasila Education and Citizenship Study Program is one of the study programs developed by the Jakarta State University UNJ. Through the UNJ Strategic Master Plan to meet the needs of education and education personnel at the local, regional, and national levels. Therefore, the Pancasila and Citizenship Education Study Program is an educational institution that develops education and learning about citizenship, citizenship, science, political education through democratic values, human rights, and national insight based on the Pancasila ideology, applicable laws and regulation, and socio-religious that develop in society. The Pancasila and Citizenship Education Study Program also produce graduates in the form of educators and education personnel who are qualified, professional, and have high competitiveness. And competitiveness to be able to improve the quality of the nation, especially in the realm of civics education. The Pancasila and Citizenship Education Study Program seeks to 1. Develop science, especially civics education and civic knowledge that supports the development of social society knowledge, political education, legal awareness education, democratic awareness, awareness to commit to a sense of unity and Indonesian nationality, and build a sense of religiosity through educational activities, research, and community service. 2. Produce qualified professional and civics educators and education personnel with integrity as well as high competitiveness and competitiveness. 3. Develop an academic culture in the academic community so that it is conducive to the implementation of learning, education, research, and community service. And 4. Establish and develop cooperation with relevant internal and external UNJ institutions to improve the quality of academic and student staff in the realm of learning, education, research, community service, and as well as other fields that are mutualistic. The Pancasila and Citizenship Education Study Program also has a laboratory room. The Laboratory of Pancasila and Citizenship Education, Lab PPKN, Faculty of Social Affairs, State University of Jakarta is a center of excellence in developing education, research, and community service in the field of civics education and disciplines that support civics education. Whether carried out by the Pancasila and Citizenship Education academic community, practitioners, observers, study enthusiasts, and the community as a user of the field of civics education studies. Lastly, the Pancasila and Citizenship Education Study Program has 16 lectures and 1 administrative staff. Finally, we already know about the Jakarta State University, and most importantly, we already know a lot about the Civics Education Department. I hope you like and are interested in Jakarta State University, especially with the civics education major. See you soon!